Is this making sense?
Definitely,
Mhm.
definitely. And in fact, it's both stabilizing and catalytic. So as we stabilize, we hold a vibration, but as we hold it, the energy is also always pushing us kind of to the next level, to the next frequency. And so the more stable we get, the more we're able to integrate those frequency changes. So it's a process in that sense. And it's beautiful because you think about when you look at what's happening on the planet, when we face crisis is often when humanity also is his best. When we see tragedies and these kinds of events around the world, on one side there's horror and all of the things that go along with that, and it's the only thing to say about it because that's truly what it is. But at the same time, the most noble elements of humanity come out of those moments to bring healing to what's happened. And so there's that duality flux so often in human experiences. And I think the ascension is like that until we get to a point. I think we get to a point when it harmonizes a lot more, and crises is not such a big part of of the process. But in the meantime, we just have to understand what's happening and know how to, find that still place inside ourselves, how to be there, how to settle in that and hold that vibration, and then be able to bring from that space whatever we can give or be or do. And that may be nothing but adding simple, peaceful harmonization, or it may be an act of service of some kind or something we do for another or a kindness that we express. So, that can show up in different ways.